What if I told you that 1 millionaire can secure your dream bungalow in a developing prime location? Welcome to one of the most exciting properties here in Lekki Ekpe corridor. This is Lekki Avana Phase II, located right here in the heart of Eleko. In just 18 days, Lekki Avana Bungalow Resort sold out 223 units. This is amazing, right? Making Lekki Avana Phase II one of the fastest selling bungalows here in Lagos. If you have been searching for a luxury yet affordable bungalow with flexible payment plans and a resort style feel, then this estate is for you. Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Phase II promises even more elegance, more comfort, more building options to suit your taste and lifestyle. We have 3-bedroom bungalow, no pool. Promo price is 65 million naira. Selling price is 70 million naira. You can save 5 million naira now. 3-bedroom bungalow with pool. Promo price is for 73 million naira, while the selling price is for 80 million naira. You can also save 7 million naira if you key in now. We also have our 4-bedroom bungalow with no pool for the promo price of 70 million naira, and the selling price is 78 million naira. You can also save 8 million naira if you key in now. 4-bedroom bungalow with pool. The promo price is 78 million naira. Selling price is 85 million naira. Prices will officially take effect from the launch date. For now, you only need a refundable commitment fee of 1 million naira to secure your units. Whether you choose a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom option, you will enjoy flexible payment plan of 3, 6, and 12 months starting after the official launch. Remember, my name is Fatima from Best Properties. I bring you assurance, security, and reliable property. Like, share, and subscribe. Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort is a fast-selling bungalow here in Lagos, and this is the right time for you to key in before the pre-launch price. You can also use Lekki Avana for a short or a long-term investment. You missed out the first time. Don't miss out again, as the new phase promises an even bigger, better, and more redefined living experience. Lekki Avana Bungalow has made it very easy for clients in the diaspora or in Nigeria to make a refundable 1 million naira deposit and start your journey of becoming a unit owner in the new Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Phase II. The best time to acquire this property is now. Call on the numbers on your screen now. Let's get you started.